Well, 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 boys and girls, this is not the bike I own. We got Daisy Duke in the back. We got my buddy up front right there, saying there's cops, so we're just gonna chill. Yeah, there they are. On the other side though. But yeah, it's got cruise control. It's the S1000 single R, one of my other favorite bikes out there. That's a double R. The homie Adam said, look, take my bike, and here we are. He had a date today and he's working away at Fort Mac, so he said borrow my bike. I'm not riding it, so dude, big up, thanks so much. And we got this moto meetup today. Oh yeah, dude, all day long. Here we go, under the bridge, ready? It's nimble, like, I like it. Dude, it makes all the right noises, this thing. Okay, how do I do that?
Hold the
oh.
What are you doing?
Is that ABS or traction? Okay, okay, nice. We're gonna do one set because I feel like it. There we go. It kicked in a little bit there though, I think. Going to jail. I know. Cop, cop, cop. I really like it. The bars are a little lower than the Super Duke, so I feel like I'm more forward, but it kind of suits the sport bike soundingness of it, you know what I'm saying? Do I look good though? Do I look good on it? That's all I care about. Super Duke looks better. Yeah, dude, our super douches. Have a great day, thank you. Wow, this thing is awesome. Oh, can we douche it up here? Not my bike, don't dump it. Do you hear all that, like, stuff it does? That never gets old. That little, like, blap blap. Oh, look at that view. The city today is looking just so nice. Yo, 790, that's nice. What's your name?
Lucas.
Lucas? LA, nice to meet you, man.
I see all your videos all the time.
Awesome. Oh, look at it. It's like a baby Duke. That's hot. First time seeing one on the street.
Really?
Yeah. So those guys are from Manitoba. We got all these guys here for the ride up out to Cochrane. So let's roll. Oh, it's on rain mode? What? So then why are you laughing? Okay, so now we're doing my typical route out to Cochrane. couple bikes might meet up with us, which is kind of cool. This backpack is starting to get heavy. We got everyone? Yep. Let's hear yours. It is. That sounds good, yeah. It's that pipe he has. Brum brum. Is that two dudes? That's hilarious. See ya! Oh, look at that Bentley right there. It's in one piece, man. Oh, it makes all the right noises. Yeah, dude.
The headers.
Oh, this is a great picture. Oh no, I know this guy. Yeah, just park there, yeah. He has a Gixxer in this.
Hey. Hi.
Hi, how's it going? Hey, what's going on, man? Hey, buddy. Oh, dude. Did you buy it for me too? Oh, yeah.
You even licked it to make sure it was good.
Look at this, look at this.
Oh,
I've converted. Hey man, there's no Harleys allowed. Sorry, man. We had such a great turnout, man, and that race was amazing. Magello was amazing. What a race. Sad to see Rossi crash, but what a great race. Man, with it being so nice down here, my allergies are playing up something fierce. But yeah, guys, what a turnout. So much fun. Thanks for everyone for coming out. And we'll probably see you guys in the next video. Peace.